Good day, everyone. So, for today, we will be talking about one of the features of Microsoft Excel, which is text to column. Right? For text to column, we have different ways for us to create that feature or use that feature. So, right now, as you can see, we have a list or a practice data set, and this practice data set contains multiple columns. And one of the columns that we have right now is the salesperson. For the salesperson column, as you can see, there are different names under the salesperson column. And as you can see, it consists of like their first name and last name, like David Schinner, Gary Reynolds, Kristen Davis. So, for example, your boss would like to split these names into or separate the names into first name and last name. So what we can do is we can use the text to column feature of Microsoft Excel. So right now I'll be creating a sheet for text to column. I'll copy this column dun sa sheet na ginawa natin. Then um, what we will do is we will go to the data tab, and under the data tools here we have this text to columns. So this is the text to columns wizard of Microsoft Excel. So before going to the text to columns wizard, we can select this column, then click the text to columns wizard. And as you can see, there is this original data type wherein you have two options. You have the delimited or the fixed fee. For our situation, we will be using the delimited radio button, right? So the delimited button is for characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. So we are using a separator or a character as a separator for our name or for our text, right? So for our names right here under salesperson, as you can see, we separated the first name and last name with space, right? So that's why we will be using the delimited radio button. So once you click next, there are lists of delimiters right here where wherein if we have the tab, semicolon, comma, and space, right? So right now, um, you can just select space or you can select them all just to be sure, just to make sure. And however, for your situation, space will be fine. I know. So there, since our only separator for those names is space. So we have May Wilmot, David Schinner. As you can see on the data preview, they are now on a two separate columns. So once you hit next, you'll be having this dialog wherein you need to select the column data format. It can be general or text, date, or do not import column. So, or skip. However, since we would like to split those texts into columns, so might be general or text, so general will be good. Then we can click finish. So once you hit finish, as you can see, the names are already separated. So right now you can change the names into or the headers into last name or first name and last name. Yeah, let's just use the autofit feature. All right, so that's one. And what if, um, for example, we have a different type of delimiter? So let me just concatenate this again. So for example, nauuna naman si last name. Then they are separated by comma and space, which is inside our double quotation, then followed by our first name. So ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Right? So we have Wilmot May. Then let's use the auto fill feature. Yan. So paano kung ganyan yung data nyo? So let me just set this to values. So para hindi siya naka-formula. So ang gagawin natin, we will be splitting this again. So select the column. Then again, use the text to columns feature. Then again, select delimited. So right now, as you can see on the data preview, since space is the only selected box, as you can see on the data preview, meron pa rin siyang comma. Ano? So for us to remove that, since we don't need that on our data na ipe-present sa boss nyo, then you can select comma as well. Ano? Or you can leave all of this that are all of these boxes ticked. So hit next, still general will be fine. It's finished, then you have a separated name. So consisting of last name and first name. Ano? So yeah, so that is one way. Or if you prefer do do coding, or if you prefer coding, then we can use this code. Hold on for a minute. Let me just concatenate things again. All right. So we have again the complete name. Aside from using the text to columns wizard, we have this text split function. All right. So split text into rows or columns using delimiters. Ano? So rows or columns. So not just only for columns, but also by rows. Ano? So for now, let's just use these two parameters. So text split have a 6 parameters. However, we will be using the first two, which is the text and call delimiter or column delimiter. Then select the text that you want to split, comma. So now we are at the second parameter, which is the call delimiter. And what is the delimiter use? Again, we use the comma and space. So you need to enclose them with double quotation. Then close the function and you are all good. Ano? So you now have the text split where your text splitted into two columns. So you can use, I don't know why the autofill feature is not working. So what we can do is just copy this, go to the lowest part, and Control Shift up to select all of the cells, and Control V. Automatically, you have your data splitted into columns, right? So that is our text to column feature.